Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create your website for personalized astrology readings, business, easy and quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first sign in with Google. Now create new business. Enter your business name, type any business name here you want, select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So the first thing is go to the first section on the website, the header. You can edit it from here, you can change your site name. Also here, if you want to turn this on and replace company name with the logo, you can upload a file. Here if you want to change this, the label, you can also add external link. You can turn this on and open link on a new page. Here if you want to edit your social links, you can add a channel. Just select the type of the social link, for example Facebook, and here put the link. Also if you want to edit the style of the section, the positioning or the social icon, the size, the shape, here if you want to turn this on, the full width or the streaky, if you want to edit the spacing, the background, the color of the background. So let's save this. If you want to add a section on your website, click here and select any section here you want, and that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the banner section of the website. You can edit from here. You can change the heading, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, you can change it, just click here and it will be changed. The label, you can change the label here. Here if you want to add external link, you can turn this on and open link in a new page. Here if you want to edit the style of the section, the spacing or the main height, screen, if you want to make it screen like this. If you want to edit your horizontal alignment, the vertical alignments and the background, here if you want to generate another image on the background. Also here you can edit the image position. You can edit the background overlay here, the color, and also here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this. So the next section is the image section of the website. You can generate another image. Here if you want to edit the image position, you can also edit the style of the section if you want to turn this on, and if you want to make it screen like this. So let's save this and let's move on. Next section is the text section of the website. You can edit the text. You can generate another text form here if you want. If you want to edit the size or the shape of the writing, the style of the section, the alignments, the spacing and the vertical alignment and the background, all the style sections, all of them has the same thing here, the vertical alignment and the background color. So let's move on. The next section is the list section of the website. You can edit here if you want to change this, the heading. Also here if you want to display this, choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here you can edit your list items. You can add the list item here if you want. You can generate the image or upload a file. Also here if you want to edit the image position, you can generate title, and also here if you want to generate the content, you can add a label and you can add the link. If you want to turn this on and open a link in a new page, so let's close this. If you want to edit the style of this section, the alignments, the image, and the spacing and the background, so that's it. Let's move on. The next section is the testimonial section. You can edit this. Here if you want to add testimonial, you can generate code. Also you can generate by who, and here if you want to upload a file, so let's save this. The next section is the gallery section of the website. You can edit the gallery from here. You can change this, the heading. You can generate another image. Here if you want to upload image from browser, just search on the browser and put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to choose this from here, so for example this. So if you want to edit the style of the section, the alignments, the hidden alignments, the type, here if you want to turn this on, click for full screen. If you want to remove gaps or full width, so let's save this and let's move on. So the next section is the location section of the website. You can edit this. Here if you want to change the heading, also you can change the business address. You can add text file here if you want. You can add the title or the content. So let's close this. The style of the section, if you want to edit the type or the theme or the rounded corners, the marker color, this is the color of the marker, the background, if you want to edit the color of the background. So the next section is the contact form section. You can generate another contact form. Here if you want to manage files, you can turn this on and custom input labels. Here if you want to generate the form success message, so let's save this. So the last section on the website, the footer section. If you want to change the business name, you can turn this on and replace company name with the logo. You can upload a file. Here if you want additional details, you can add your business address or any other relevant details. You can edit your social links, and here if you want to add a channel, so let's save this. If you want to generate another content or another style or entire section, just select any option here and it will be changed. If you want to duplicate the section, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to move it up or move it down, and if you want to delete the section, just click here and it will be removed. So that's it after you edit your website, after you design and complete designing your website. All you have to do is publish it here and you can get your free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.